In this video, we are going to see how we can design the slides in PowerPoint easily by using a predefined templates. So here, as we can see, we have inserted a couple of slides, but it looks very raw, like just it is written on a simple white paper. So if you want to format it, what we can do is just click on the design tab. And here you can see all the popular themes. You can select any one of them depending on your presentation theme. So let's select this one. And as you can see, as we click on one particular slide, it will apply it to all slides immediately. So if we want to, let's say, apply it only on one, for example, this one should be this theme, just right click on it and apply to a selected slide. So this way, this slide will only be formatted with that theme. And after that, let's say that you want to change the colors. For this particular slide, we have all the color variants that you can choose. As you can see, it's so beautiful. You can choose any one of them. And even these are not only four, you can just click on this drop down and you can switch to colors and you can see all of these color possibilities that we have in here. This will make your presentation very, very beautiful. And just remember that although this presentation is accurately adjusted according to this theme, otherwise, whenever you change any particular theme, you might need to adjust it a little bit according to that particular theme, especially if you're using any kind of custom arrangement or custom design. So we have customized this particular slide, let's say this particular one, and let's select some other custom colors as well. And for example, I want this one. And I don't want to find it in the designs every single time, because what we have to do otherwise is just select this particular theme and then search for that colors. Maybe we have adjusted some text sizes as well. So if you want to save this particular theme adjustment as a custom theme, how we can easily do it, let's see. First of all, just make sure that you apply it to all slides, not a single one. Apply to all slides. After that, it can be saved as a current theme. So just go to the designs and go to the same section, click on save current theme, and let's name it as my custom theme, whatever you like. Click on save and you will notice that it will be saved as a current theme. Now let's try this. Even if we insert a new presentation, let's start a new all over again, and let's go to the design and let's find it here, my custom theme. As you can see, it immediately formats it in the same way. So that's how you can do it. That's how you can design your slides. Just try this by yourself and I will see you in the next one.